Hello guys, it's been quite a while. I'd love to welcome you back to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to do an unboxing of this Samsung. It's a Samsung A12. Let's see what's inside. It's a new phone. It's still sealed. So let's cut the wrap. There we go. I'm also going to unseal from this other end. And there we go. We have the outer box, and here's the phone. It comes with this is the manual, English, Arabic, French, and the warranty card. It has a 2 years warranty for Africa, and we have the email number, and here's the phone. Here's the phone. It says Infinity V display, quadruple camera, fingerprint. Here's the phone. It's a beautiful phone. It's blue in color. I don't know which shade of blue, but it's blue in color. It's a beautiful phone, and it's dotted. The back is dotted, so it won't slide on your hand. It's not easy to slide because it gives it some grip. There's the phone. In the box we also have the charger. It's a 3-pin. We have earphones, and we have the cable that you connect to the charger. I'm going to switch this phone on, and it has a fingerprint detector which is at the side, which also acts as a power button. And there goes Samsung A12. And also in the box we have the pin, the small pin which you use to remove your SIM card, your memory card. And there you go guys, this is the Samsung A12. Feels nice to the touch. It fits on your hand quite perfectly. It has a good display. The size is also okay, starting Android. And yes guys, there you go, it's finally up. Welcome. So that's what we have in the Samsung A12 box. Cable for the charger, the plug, earphones, and the phone itself. That's basically it. There's nothing else. Thanks guys for watching. I might do a review on this Samsung A12 later on after I've used it, and I might give you some feedback. That is a maybe. I might not. Thanks guys for watching. See you in my next video. Remember to subscribe.